I spy with my little eyes some big old longbeards. Oh, man. I don't even know why I'm making this video. Turkey season isn't for another couple weeks, but I'm just getting a little antsy to get after them thunder chickens. I probably won't even see you guys until the night before. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Pretty darn excited, though. Oh, man. Good morning, YouTube. We're doing some freaking turkey hunting, finally. Oh, man. It's only taken like all year. We're taking Logan out and we're gonna see if we can't get us a big old long beard. Woo! Doing a bit of a mist out there. That won't be too terrible for when we start hunting. We're probably not gonna gobble as much, and they're gonna be in the wide open. Landon went out and roosted them last night. It was windy. It was raining a little bit, just like this, and he said they were gobbling a lot. So that's a pretty good sign. Hopefully they're fired up this morning. But before we get to Landon's, got to pick up some essentials. Casey's. It is 3:38, which is actually 4:38 because it didn't change the time. Landon said he wanted 2 whiteberry monsters. Never even heard of that. I don't know what that looks like. I think it's just a white monster. But he wants 2 of them. Are you kidding me? I would normally get myself a bit of a chalky milk and some Casey's pizza, but I'm running a little bit late. We have arrived. You about ready to go or what? Yeah. I could hear birds gobbling when I came in.
Not bad. What? Couple up there, big well.
No.
Thanks, little buddy.
This is what they'll be after this morning. Isn't that right, Logan?
Yeah, and they're gonna get their head blown off if I don't miss.
She's smart. Not sure if you guys can see it or not. Will looks like he's sleeping. And they're firing off. So that's good. Got Logan over there. I know he's not sleeping, he's awake. They're all over to our right a little bit, so it could be good. Birds were gobbling pretty good on the roost, but once they hit the ground, they gobbled about 3 times and shut up. I could hear them there, sounded like they were all together, so hopefully they'll break up here in an hour or so, and we get a chance at one. Oh, he's turned him. He's passed out. Oh, maybe he's not. It's official. Will is the worst caller in Joe Davis County. I hear excuses. God, I ain't walking all over the place.
Hello, my name's Joe, and my driver bus.
Alright, I stopped gobbling, so we're heading back to the truck and figuring out a new game plan. Dang it, dude. Walking out. Spooked a couple big old gobs. Those birds did not strike up down in the bottom. We kind of hit the crystal pod call. Those birds didn't strike up and they're sitting right on top of the hill, so there's really nothing we could have done. We were looking as much as we could, but they must have been right under a knoll and at the perfect spot to where we didn't see them, but not anything we can do about it. So we're gonna go try to find some more birds. Isn't that right, Logan?
Sure.
We found out really all wet, Will.
What the frick?
That's about 8 birds that were down there last year, and they didn't see the ones up there that were just gobbling.
No, right. Yeah, there's more birds on the other side of the road. We're coming up to this next spot and we looked off to the left and there's some birds off to the left. So we're in the game. Hopefully we don't end up spooking nothing, but we at least got something to go after. Like them cedars right there. Holy cow. She might have just had a calf. After working these hens for about 15 to 20 minutes, we started to realize that these were just hens. There was no spitting, gobbling, or drumming that we could hear. So I was starting to come to the conclusion that maybe we should go try to find some other birds. But then we heard some gobbling in the opposite direction. Right here is when I stopped calling. I no longer wanted that bird to come to me. I wanted to go to Landon right behind me. So it was up to Landon to give him a soft couple of clucks to get him in the rest of the way.
At the bottom of the neck, but he stands up. He pops that back up. Got him. Got him. Get down there. Get down there, step on him.
Logan's running. No way.
Watch out. Here.
Let's go! Dude, no way!
He came from up there?
He came from behind the house, and so I could see him on that point. I didn't want to get the camera up on him, but he literally came from the house all the way down and jumped the creek and then went through, and then that's when I started getting him on camera. I was hoping you'd start calling.
I felt like I had to.
Oh, for sure had to, yeah. Because he was just sitting here. He didn't know where those... He was thinking the hens were going to come to him, and I didn't want to call because I didn't want him to come up that way.
Right.
So...
That's what I figured, so like, I got to at least try.
Right. No, that was definitely a good call. I was hoping you'd give him a couple yelps or something.
I'm also focused on him and him shaking. Oh, it was great.
Dude, I was shaking.
I was too.
Oh my goodness.
I tried telling him to settle down and I couldn't even settle down.
Oh man. Oh dude. Look at the paintbrush on that boy.
Oh yeah.
Logan, you're oh my gosh. Dude, look at the spurs on this thing.
Oh my god.
Dude.
I could see him walking over there, but
Holy cow! Dude, those are the biggest spurs I've ever seen on a bird, I think. You're getting spoiled, kid.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. First day on both the hunts, Logan gets a bird.
Franchi did her dirty. He just boom.
Yeah, he
And then
did.
just kept
Dude, that
rolling.
thing kind of kicked. I was kind of unexpected.
Yeah. Landon buys your tags. He takes you hunting. He pays for the shells. Gives you a gun to use, and you're like, oh, let's go buy me breakfast.
Yeah.
Dude. Oh my god, this thing's heavy. Dude, pick him up.
Don't matter to me.
He's pretty heavy.
I had to carry the last bird all the way back to the truck.
So why not do this one too? First bird with Landon's new gun.
Yeah, it is.
He didn't even get to shoot it either.
Dude, he's sitting there drumming and spitting too.
Oh man, I know.
Up.
Right.
I told Logan, I said, once you get his head popped up, I said, pop him.
I did.
Yeah, you did. You nailed it.
And if we had a decoy too, I think he would have came right into that decoy too. But
Lone Gobbler, I was actually kind of surprised.
Me
The
too.
way we seen him down in...
which I figured they'd break up and go every which way. But man, he came on a string. He was running on top of that hill for a little bit.
Throw him over your shoulder, you...
I don't know.
And you were scared about Buttercup. Maybe it's a good thing we did move, I guess.
Yeah, you talk here.
We came up, actually, this is a story time. We came up the driveway and we seen birds right here. So we're like, all right, well, we'll run up around. We ran up around. We got a cow up here. Name's Buttercup. Yeah, she's not a buttercup. Especially when she has a calf. So Logan got scared. He was sitting there shaking. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. So he stands up with hens right here. So we come down and then we start sitting there and then, yeah, barbecue chicken from there.
I say this every hunt, but man, that was a perfect hunt.
Oh, it was? That seriously was like, we were sitting for what, 20 minutes?
Uh-huh.
Not maybe?
Probably maybe a half hour, which I mean...
Half hour, but by the time he came down, we were only there for like 10 minutes before he started going crazy.
Uh-huh. You did this last year.
Carrying it like a baby. Because he is a baby.
It is my baby.
It is money. You can't ask for a better hunt than that. Thing came in on a string. We're all in despair this morning. Spooked some birds walking out. No birds were gobbling. I figured it was going to be like that the rest of the day. We weren't going to see another bird.
You can see the truck, like right where we were sitting.
Yeah. You could literally see the truck right where we were sitting. We didn't walk that far and called the bird right through the house yard. I mean, oh man. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Oh yeah. Now we got to get the measurements. What am I saying? Inch and
Almost
5/8.
Inch and a half. Well, this is kind of hard to measure them, but.
That's still, those are nice spurs, dude.
Yeah, you might be right. Inch and 5/8. You're gonna be close.
Oh my goodness, I'm so like that.
Oh, 10 3/4.
Oh man.
That's a big bird.
That is a big bird. Congrats, Logan.
Thank you, little buddy.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys
Peace
later.
out. Peace out. Peace out.
Whoop, whoop. Give me.